China builds and redefines what is possible. Across its vast landscapes, you will find bridges defying gravity, railways conquering impossible terrains, and megacities springing up seemingly overnight. It is a construction spectacle that leaves the rest of the world in awe. The secret behind these achievements is not just ambition or manpower. It is a fleet of extraordinary machines. These cutting-edge technologies have turned years-long projects into mere months of work. From machines that assemble bridges in mid-air to AI-powered giants carving tunnels through mountains, this is what makes China's rapid growth unstoppable. So, how do these mechanical wonders work, and why has no one else caught up? Get ready to explore the fascinating world of engineering ingenuity as we unveil the machines that turn China into a global construction powerhouse. Trust me, by the end of this, you will see infrastructure like never before. The Iron Monster, SLJ900-32. When it comes to building bridges, the SLJ900-32, affectionately nicknamed the Iron Monster, is nothing short of a big deal. This machine has redefined how bridges are constructed, proving that innovation can outpace tradition. Forget cranes and scaffolding. This machine does it all and does it fast. But what makes the Iron Monster such a revolutionary force in the world of construction? The SLJ900-32 is a 91-meter-long, 580-ton colossus designed specifically to build precast segmental bridges, developed by the Beijing Wow-Joint Machinery Company. This machine is unlike anything you have ever seen. Its sleek, elongated body looks more like a mechanical centipede than your typical construction vehicle. However, do not let its peculiar appearance fool you. This beast is packed with functionality. The traditional method of building bridges is slow, expensive, and labor-intensive. Workers must construct temporary scaffolding and use cranes to lift heavy beams into place, a process that can take months or even years depending on the project. The Iron Monster, however, eliminates the need for all that. With its unique design, it can lift precast concrete segments, transport them to the construction site, and place them precisely where they are needed. All this is done without requiring cranes, scaffolding, or even much manpower. In other words, it is a one-machine show. How does it work? The SLJ900-32 operates on a simple yet genius principle. It moves forward while carrying massive bridge segments, placing them one by one to assemble the bridge. It uses a series of hydraulic jacks and rollers to shift the segments into place with millimeter precision. Once a segment is securely positioned, the machine advances to the next section of the bridge, repeating the process until the entire structure is complete. It is like watching a giant mechanical puzzle come together in real time. This innovative approach not only speeds up construction, but also enhances safety. By removing the need for scaffolding and heavy cranes, the risk of accidents on site is significantly reduced. Additionally, the SLJ900-32 is capable of operating in challenging environments, including over rivers, valleys, and busy highways. Traditional methods would struggle in such conditions, but the Iron Monster thrives. One of the most iconic projects involving this machine is the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, a record-breaking 55-kilometer bridge that connects three major cities. Imagine trying to build something of that scale without the SLJ900-32. It would have been a logistical nightmare. The Iron Monster's efficiency allowed for quicker assembly, saving both time and resources. The machine has also been instrumental in China's ambitious Belt and Road Initiative, which aims to improve infrastructure connectivity across Asia, Europe, and Africa. With the SLJ900-32, China can rapidly construct bridges in remote or underdeveloped areas, ensuring that even the most inaccessible regions benefit from modern infrastructure. Now, let us talk about the versatility of SLJ900-32. Its primary function is building bridges, but it can also be adapted for other construction projects, such as elevated railways and viaducts. This flexibility makes it an invaluable asset in China's infrastructure arsenal. However, the Iron Monster's fame is not without controversy. Some critics argue that its reliance on precast concrete segments limits design flexibility. After all, not every bridge can follow a uniform blueprint. However, even with this limitation, The benefits of the SLJ932 far outweigh its drawbacks. Its efficiency, safety, and cost-effectiveness make it a cornerstone of modern construction technology. At the end of the day, we can see SLJ932 as a symbol of China's relentless drive for progress. It represents a shift away from traditional construction methods toward a future where innovation leads the way. And as China continues to push the boundaries of what is possible in infrastructure, the Iron Monster will undoubtedly remain at the forefront, building bridges, not just across rivers and valleys, but between imagination and reality. But what if we told you there's a machine that's taking China's infrastructure to the next level, beyond roads and bridges? Next-gen construction equipment. Imagine roads being built in hours instead of months. This is happening now, thanks to the next-generation construction equipment in China. These cutting-edge machines are reshaping how infrastructure is created, setting new standards for speed, precision, and efficiency. Well, what exactly makes these machines so special? And how do they keep China ahead in the construction game? Let us take a closer look. At the heart of next-gen construction technology is automation. China has embraced automated machinery that does more in a day than an entire crew could achieve in weeks. Take the multifunctional road paver, for instance. This machine does not just lay asphalt, it ensures that the road surface is perfectly even, durable, and ready for use almost immediately. Equipped with advanced sensors and GPS technology, these machines can adapt to environmental conditions, ensuring flawless execution regardless of terrain. Then, there is the story of the synchronized roller compactors. These are not your average steamrollers. Controlled by AI, these machines work in unison, creating roads that meet international quality standards. The compactors communicate wirelessly, ensuring consistent pressure across the entire surface. This not only speeds up construction, but also guarantees roads that last longer, reducing maintenance costs significantly. Let us focus on speed. Enter the slip-form paver, a machine designed to pour concrete continuously while shaping it into perfectly formed roads, curbs, or barriers. This is the unsung hero behind China's high-speed highways. Traditionally, forming and curing concrete for such projects could take weeks. With the slip-form paver, that timeline is reduced to mere days, enabling China to roll out new infrastructure at an unprecedented rate. Of course, precision is just as important as speed, and that is where robotic excavators come in. These machines are equipped with machine learning algorithms that allow them to learn from their surroundings. They can dig trenches with surgical accuracy, ensuring minimal waste and maximum efficiency. Pair this with drones that provide real-time site surveys and have a construction process that is as smart as it is fast. Next-gen construction equipment is about sustainability. China's eco-conscious approach has led to the development of electric and hybrid construction vehicles. For example, electric loaders and excavators are becoming increasingly common on job sites. These machines drastically reduce greenhouse gas emissions, making them a win-win for both progress and the planet. However, innovation does not stop there. Take 3D printing in construction, which has seen transformative applications in recent years. In Suzhou, China, a team of engineers used a massive 3D printer to construct an entire pedestrian bridge. The printer used recycled materials to create the structure, demonstrating how technology can not only save time, but also promote sustainability. It is a clear indication that the future of construction lies in combining efficiency with environmental responsibility. One of the standout examples of next-gen construction equipment in action is the Beijing Daxing International Airport. Dubbed the Starfish for its unique design, this megastructure was built in record time, thanks in large part to advanced machinery. High-speed concrete mixers, automated cranes, and robotic welders worked around the clock to bring the project to life. The result? A state-of-the-art airport that serves as a testament to what next-gen technology can achieve. Still, not everyone is sold on these innovations. Critics argue that the reliance on automated machinery could lead to job displacement, raising concerns about the human cost of technological advancement. While these concerns are valid, it is important to note that the integration of next-gen equipment also creates opportunities for upskilling workers. Operating and maintaining these machines requires specialized knowledge, paving the way for a more tech-savvy workforce. Next-gen construction equipment is both a collection of fancy gadgets and a symbol of how far technology has come and where it is headed. These machines are fast, precise, sustainable, and above all, transformative. As China continues to build at breakneck speed, these innovations ensure that the nation is keeping up with demand and also setting the standard for the world to follow. But what if precision is the real key to unlocking even more groundbreaking feats in construction? Advanced CNC machines, the backbone of manufacturing. When it comes to building the unbuildable, China's secret weapon is not just about brute strength or flashy machines. It is precision. Nothing screams precision like CNC machines. CNC, or computer numerical control, may sound like a mouthful of jargon, but trust me, these machines are the silent heroes behind China's construction dominance. They are the brains and brawns that make those sleek bridges, massive skyscrapers, and cutting-edge machines a reality. At their core, CNC machines are high-tech tools that can cut, carve, mill, and drill materials with jaw-dropping accuracy. Picture a sculptor chipping away at marble. Only this sculptor does not make mistakes and can carve out the most complex details at the touch of a button. CNC machines handle everything from metals to composites, turning raw materials into the precision-engineered parts that drive construction innovation. China's manufacturing powerhouse status owes a lot to these machines. Factories across the nation are equipped with advanced CNC systems capable of producing everything from tiny screws to gigantic turbine blades. Take a moment to appreciate the scale. In 2023 alone, China accounted for nearly 40% of the global CNC market. That is rewriting the rulebook. How do these machines work? The magic lies in their software. CNC machines follow coded instructions that dictate every single movement, down to fractions of a millimeter. Think of it as an orchestra, with every component working in harmony to produce the perfect symphony of engineering. Whether it is carving a steel girder for a skyscraper or crafting parts for the SLJ 932 Iron Monster we talked about earlier, CNC machines deliver flawless results every single time. On the cutting edge, pun intended, China's latest CNC machines are equipped with AI and IoT, Internet of Things capabilities, making them smarter and more efficient than ever before. These machines can analyze data in real time, adapt to changing conditions, and even predict maintenance needs before a breakdown happens. This means less downtime, higher productivity, and better quality, all while saving money. A prime example of this technology in action is the Jinan-based Shandong Wader Machinery Co., one of China's leading CNC manufacturers. Their 5-axis CNC machines can produce complex components for aerospace, automotive, and of course, construction projects. Imagine building the curved steel beams for a modern skyscraper without these machines. Spoiler alert, you cannot. Even so, CNC technology is not just about high-profile projects. It is also a cornerstone of China's modular construction boom. Remember those prefabricated buildings that go up in weeks instead of years? CNC machines are behind the perfectly cut and measured components that make that possible. Every panel, joint and beam fits together like a puzzle because these machines do not leave room for error. Of course, no innovation is without its challenges. Critics argue that CNC machines are expensive to purchase and maintain, making them inaccessible for smaller manufacturers. There is also the issue of skilled labor operating these machines, which is not as simple as pushing a button. It requires training, expertise, and a deep understanding of engineering principles. Yet, China has turned these challenges into opportunities. By investing heavily in vocational training programs, the country is creating a workforce that is as skilled as the machines they operate. CNC machines also play a critical role in sustainability. By optimizing material usage and reducing waste, they align perfectly with China's push for greener construction practices. For example, CNC-enabled recycling programs can repurpose leftover materials into new products, minimizing environmental impact without sacrificing quality. At the end of the day, advanced CNC machines are the backbone of modern manufacturing, and the secret sauce behind China's rapid development. They represent a blend of precision, innovation, and efficiency that is unparalleled in the world. As China continues to push the boundaries of what is possible, these machines will remain at the heart of the action, quietly shaping the future, one perfect cut at a time. Electrical construction machines, the greening industrial. In the relentless quest for progress, one thing is clear: China builds bigger and faster in a responsible manner. Enter electrical construction machines, the unsung heroes powering the nation's green revolution. With climate change breathing down humanity's neck, China's embrace of electrified machinery is a transformation, blending innovation with sustainability in ways that could make Mother Earth proud. Let us kick things off with electric excavators. These machines look like their diesel-guzzling cousins, but come with one crucial difference. They run on electricity, not fossil fuels. Companies like SANY and XCMG have been rolling out fleets of battery-powered excavators that can dig, lift, and load without emitting a single puff of exhaust. These machines are quieter and cleaner, and, as a bonus, they save money on fuel. Imagine a construction site where you do not need earplugs and the air does not reek of diesel. That is the future electric machines are carving out, one scoop at a time. Even so, the green transformation doesn't stop there. Electric loaders are also making waves. These multitaskers are critical for transporting materials on job sites, and their electric versions are setting a new standard for efficiency. By eliminating the need for fuel, these machines cut both costs and carbon emissions, aligning perfectly with China's ambitious carbon neutrality goals. In fact, by 2060, the country aims to reach net zero emissions, a target that electric construction equipment is helping to make a reality. Then, there are hybrid machines, the perfect marriage between electric and traditional systems. Take the hybrid cranes developed by XCMG, for example. These machines combine electric motors with diesel engines, ensuring power and efficiency while slashing fuel consumption. This dual approach is ideal for massive projects where fully electric machinery might struggle with energy demands. We cannot forget how these machines are paving the way for greener urban landscapes, quite literally. China's massive infrastructure projects often face harsh environments, such as high altitudes, extreme temperatures, or remote locations. That is where solar-powered charging stations come in. These stations support electric machines in off-grid areas, ensuring they can operate even in the most challenging conditions. It is a clever solution that combines clean energy with practicality, showcasing China's ability to turn obstacles into opportunities. Now, let us talk about something that often goes unnoticed: life cycle sustainability. Electric construction machines are not only cleaner to operate, but also easier to recycle. Battery technologies like lithium-ion can be repurposed for other uses, reducing waste and conserving resources. This cradle-to-grave approach ensures that these machines leave a minimal footprint, both during and after their operational lives. Critics often argue that the high upfront costs of electric machines are a barrier to widespread adoption. And yes, while these machines are pricier than their diesel counterparts, the long-term savings are undeniable. Lower operational costs, reduced maintenance, and government incentives for green technology are making the switch to electricity an increasingly smart investment. Add in the fact that China leads the world in battery production, and you have a recipe for rapid adoption. One shining example of this technology in action is the Beijing Winter Olympics of 2022. The construction of venues and infrastructure relied heavily on electric and hybrid machinery, showcasing their capabilities on a global stage. The result? A stunning array of facilities is built with minimal environmental impact, proving that sustainability and ambition can go hand in hand. As China accelerates its transition to a greener future, electric construction machines are at the forefront of this industrial evolution. These are symbols of a shift in priorities, proof that progress does not have to come at the expense of the planet. By combining cutting-edge technology with environmental responsibility, these machines are setting a new standard for how the world is built. And just when you thought construction couldn't get any smarter, AI takes it to a whole new level. Intelligent machines, AI construction. Artificial intelligence is storming construction sites, hard hats and all. In China, AI-driven machines are turning traditional construction into a high-tech symphony of efficiency, precision, and speed. These intelligent machines are the masterminds behind some of the most ambitious building projects in the world. Get ready, because this is where the future of construction gets seriously exciting. Imagine a construction site buzzing with autonomous machines, all working in perfect harmony. That is not sci-fi. It is a reality in China. From AI-powered bulldozers to self-driving trucks, these machines are taking over tasks that were once labor-intensive and prone to human error. Autonomous bulldozers, for instance, can grade land with pinpoint accuracy, guided by advanced sensors and GPS technology. Meanwhile, AI-powered cranes ensure materials are lifted and placed with millimeter precision, cutting down on wasted time and resources. The result? Projects that are completed faster, safer, and with far fewer headaches. Then, there is the rise of robotic bricklayers. These machines can lay thousands of bricks in a single day, an achievement that would take human workers weeks to achieve. Using AI algorithms, these robots map out precise patterns and adjust on the fly for inconsistencies, ensuring every brick is laid perfectly. Companies like Country Garden are already deploying these robots on large-scale housing projects, and the results are staggering. Think skyscrapers rising in record time, all thanks to these tireless bricklaying machines. However, AI's role in construction goes far beyond just automating tasks. It is about revolutionizing decision-making. Enter AI-based project management software, the ultimate brain behind the brawn. These systems analyze massive amounts of data, from weather forecasts to material availability, to optimize every aspect of a construction project. Need to predict delays before they happen? Done. Want to ensure materials arrive at the exact moment they're needed? No problem. This level of precision allows project managers to make smarter decisions, saving both time and money. Safety is a perennial concern on construction sites. AI-powered surveillance systems are transforming how safety is managed. Cameras equipped with facial recognition and behavior analysis software can detect potential hazards in real time, like a worker not wearing a helmet or entering a restricted area. These systems alert supervisors instantly, preventing accidents before they occur. It is like having a safety officer who never takes a coffee break. AI is even stepping into the design phase with generative design tools that push the boundaries of what's architecturally possible. Using AI algorithms, designers can input parameters like budget, materials, and structural requirements, and the system generates thousands of design options in minutes. These tools are behind some of the most innovative buildings in China, blending form and function in ways that traditional methods simply cannot match. Critics often argue that AI in construction might replace human workers, but the reality is far more complex. These machines are not here to take jobs, but to enhance them. By handling repetitive and dangerous tasks, AI allows human workers to focus on roles that require creativity and critical thinking. As the industry evolves, it is creating a demand for new skill sets, from AI programming to machine maintenance. China's embrace of intelligent machines is a cultural shift. By integrating AI into construction, the country is setting a global benchmark for what is possible when innovation meets ambition. From smarter project management to groundbreaking architectural designs, AI is proving that the future of construction is bright and intelligent. As impressive as AI-powered machines are above ground, the real engineering marvels might just be hiding beneath our feet. The Tunnel Kings, TBMs. When it comes to conquering the depths of the Earth, China's tunnel boring machines, TBMs, are in a league of their own. These mechanical behemoths, often referred to as moles, are the backbone of China's ambitious underground infrastructure projects. Whether it is slicing through mountains, tunneling beneath bustling cities, or carving paths under rivers, these machines are rewriting the rules of engineering. China's TBMs are massive, not just in size but in capability. Measuring up to 20 meters in diameter and stretching hundreds of meters in length, these giants look more like sci-fi spacecraft than construction equipment, and their power? Unmatched. They can chew through rock, soil, and even underwater sediment with ease, thanks to cutting-edge rotary cutters and hydraulic systems. But their real genius lies in their adaptability. Each TBM is custom designed for the specific geological challenges of its project, ensuring efficiency and safety no matter the conditions. Take the Guanjiao Tunnel in the Qinghai Tibet Plateau as an example. At an altitude of over 3,000 meters, this project was no ordinary achievement. The harsh climate and tough rock formations could have derailed traditional construction methods. Enter the TBM. Equipped with reinforced shields and advanced cooling systems, it drilled through the plateau with surgical precision, completing the project in record time. TBMs are amazing modern machines. Many of China's machines are equipped with AI-powered monitoring systems that provide real-time feedback on everything from soil conditions to machine performance. These systems help operators make instant adjustments, reducing the risk of delays or accidents. It is this blend of muscle and intelligence that makes TBMs indispensable for large-scale projects. When it comes to speed, time is construction money, and TBMs are built to deliver. For instance, the Jinan Yellow River Tunnel project saw TBMs tunneling at an average rate of 15 meters per day. That might not sound like much until you realize that these machines were working under a riverbed, navigating complex geological conditions. Traditional methods would have taken years. The TBM slashed that timeline significantly. Environmental impact is another area where TBMs shine. Unlike traditional blasting methods that disrupt ecosystems and generate massive amounts of debris, TBMs are far more contained. They excavate and transport materials simultaneously, minimizing waste and reducing the project's overall carbon footprint. This aligns perfectly with China's broader push towards sustainable development, proving that large-scale engineering does not have to come at the expense of the planet. One of the most impressive aspects of China's TBM industry is its self-reliance. In the past, the country relied heavily on imported machines, but those days are over. Companies like China Railway Engineering Equipment Group, CREG, and China Communications Construction Company, CCCC, are now producing world-class TBMs domestically. Not only does this reduce costs, but it also ensures that the machines are tailor-made for China's unique geological challenges. Critics might argue that TBMs are prohibitively expensive, and they are not wrong. These machines come with hefty price tags, but when you factor in their efficiency, precision, and ability to handle large-scale projects, the investment pays off in spades. Just think about the sprawling metro systems in cities like Shanghai and Beijing. Without TBMs, these underground networks would be a logistical nightmare. TBMs show China's engineering prowess and its commitment to innovation. By pushing the boundaries of what is possible underground, these tunnel kings are helping to shape a future where no terrain is too tough to conquer. What if we told you that building skyscrapers in weeks instead of years is not just a dream, but a reality in China? Modular construction machines, building skyscrapers in record time. When it comes to constructing entire skyscrapers in the blink of an eye, China's modular construction machines are doing a good job. These engineering machines are turning what used to be year-long projects into weeks-long endeavors, setting the global stage for ultra-efficient urban development. Let us find out how these machines are reshaping city skylines and revolutionizing the construction game. At the heart of modular construction is a simple but transformative idea: build structures in factories and assemble them on-site like Lego blocks. This is something happening right now. Take Broad Sustainable Building, BSB, the Chinese company behind the world-famous Mini Sky City in Changsha. They completed this 57-story skyscraper using modular construction machines in just 19 days. Yes, you read that right. Days, not months or years. Here is how it works. Giant factory machines create prefabricated modules equipped with everything from plumbing to electrical systems. These modules are then transported to the construction site, where cranes and assembly machines put them together like pieces of a puzzle. The result? Perfectly aligned buildings erected in record time, with minimal waste and disruption to surrounding areas. With that, speed is not the only perk of modular construction. The precision offered by these machines is next level. Factory settings allow for meticulous quality control, ensuring that every module meets stringent standards before it leaves the assembly line. On-site, advanced alignment systems ensure that modules fit together seamlessly, creating structures that are both durable and aesthetically flawless. Sustainability is a hot topic in today's construction world. Modular construction machines significantly reduce material waste thanks to their precise cutting and assembly processes. And since most of the work happens in factories, On-site energy consumption and emissions are drastically lower. For a country as committed to green development as China, this eco-friendly approach is a transformation. One standout project that highlights the prowess of modular machines is the T30 Hotel. Built in just 15 days, this 30-story building boasts energy-efficient features like triple glazed windows and a thermal insulation system. The speed and sustainability of this project caught global attention, proving that modular construction is the future of urban development. Critics often question whether such rapid construction compromises safety, but China's modular machines have silenced the doubters. These machines adhere to rigorous safety protocols, producing modules that can withstand earthquakes and extreme weather conditions. Modular buildings often outperform traditional structures in durability tests. Another fascinating aspect of modular construction in China is its adaptability. From residential apartments to hospitals and schools, modular machines are capable of creating structures for a wide range of needs. For instance, during the COVID-19 pandemic, China used modular construction to build emergency hospitals in record time, showcasing its ability to respond to crises with unmatched efficiency. We cannot forget the economic benefits. By slashing construction timelines, modular machines reduce labor costs and accelerate project completions. This is particularly important in China's rapidly urbanizing landscape, where the demand for infrastructure is insatiable. Companies are now able to complete multiple projects simultaneously, meeting urban development goals without breaking the bank. China's dominance in modular construction is no accident. The country has invested heavily in research and development, creating machines that are both innovative and practical. As a result, Chinese companies are now exporting modular construction technology worldwide, cementing China's status as a global leader in the field. Modular construction machines are symbols of efficiency, sustainability, and innovation. By harnessing their potential, China is not only reshaping its cities, but also setting a new standard for urban development worldwide. In a world where time is money and sustainability is key, these machines are paving the way for a smarter, greener future. China's machines are the backbone of a construction revolution. From bridges to tunnels, these machines have reshaped what is possible in infrastructure. If you loved this video, check out our next video, where we uncover more exciting engineering secrets. See you there.